how to turn off interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. So click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on interaction control. So after click on interaction control, so you will see interaction control shortcut is here. So if you want to turn off interaction control, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see auto interaction control is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can auto turn off interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.